This is going to be me attempting to paint an Oglethorpe oak. Oaks are really important to our environment. So this is the known native range of an Oglethorpe oak. It's kind of like a micro-regional species, at least from what we know about its living population. Unfortunately, due to colonialism, this tree's population has gone down by a lot. And what I say by due to colonialism, I mean this population has only gone down in the last 200 years since what we now call North America has been colonized. So first, I painted all the butterflies and moths that this tree supports, and that took a while, and I ended up painting over it. So so just some stuff about the Oglethorpe oak. It's mildly resistant to deer damage. Birds and mammals eat the acorns off of it. It's a host plant for the imperial moth, numerous butterflies, including specifically the larvae of imperial moths. The butterflies are the banded hair streak, Edwards hair streak, gray hair streak, the white M hair streak, Horace's dusky wing, juvenalis, and dusky wing. Conservation work is underway at Morton Arboretum in Illinois, and it has really strong wood. Male and female flowers exist on the same tree, with some other stuff. It grows in wet soil with poor drainage, so the water's sitting. And this may be due to chestnut blight, because chestnut blight doesn't thrive in those kind of areas. So it could be that the tree is supposed to live in a wider area, but it just can't, because chestnut blight is, in those other areas. It goes 50 to 80 feet in height, up to 8 feet in diameter, up to spread of 70 feet, but a normal would be 65 feet tall, 1.5 diameter, and a 45-foot crown. And it can form natural hybrids with white oaks, and some people think it's a relic of derived from an outlying disconnected population of bastard oaks. So, yeah. Land use changes have disturbed forests and disrupted the water cycles that are responsible for the regeneration of this species, and poor regeneration on wetland sites prevents new trees from thriving. So, and it's threatened with extinction. It grows in Georgia and South Carolina and the Piedmont, and isolated plains in Louisiana and Mississippi, and there are an estimated 1,000 trees remaining. So, yeah. Oglethorpe is also a white oak. There are 3 classifications of oak trees, and the most known ones are, I believe, red oak and black oaks, which are one group, and then white oaks, and then there's another one that I can't remember the name of right now. But Oglethorpe is a white oak. It's originally thought to be a southern form of shingle oak, and it was first identified by a non-indigenous person in 1940 by plant taxonomist Wilbur Duncan near a creek. And it's named after Oglethorpe County, Georgia, where he first identified the tree. And Oglethorpe County is named after a British general who lived from 1696 to 1785, who founded the city of Savannah and the colony of Georgia. So, yeah. Oak support more biodiversity, sequester more carbon, and manage the watershed better than any other tree in most parts of North America. And 90-ish species of oak grow in North America. Oaks are the largest tree genus in the northern hemisphere. They are critical to the food web, and oaks are the top life support tree for each of us and our ecosystem in 84% of North American counties. According to the nature of oaks, the rich ecology of our most essential native trees. That's where most of that information I just said I got from outside of the Oglethorpe information. And oaks are commonly used in construction. So, yeah.